Hi guys, how you all doing? What we're going to do is we're going to take our durian that we bought in the market and we're going to turn it into a fantastic Thai pudding. Absolutely wonderful in flavour, delicious. Okay, with a little bit of coconut milk, a bit of sugar, a little pinch of salt and sticky rice and our durian. So let's get started.
Okay, then we want about 400 milliliters of coconut milk. Just put it in the pan and turn on the heat, low to medium. We're going to warm this up because we're using pre-cooked sticky rice. What we need to do, just give it a gentle stir every now and again. We don't want it to stick on the bottom whilst it's warming up. Okay, add 1 teaspoon of salt and about 200 grams of sugar. Obviously this is a quite sweet mix, but that's what makes our sticky rice wonderful. So what we need to do is we need to keep stirring it, but as soon as we see the first bubbles rising we need to turn it off. Okay, now what we need to do is actually take our durian and we need to peel the flesh off the durian. There is a stone inside, just discard the stone. Now this is quite a messy job actually. The flesh is very custardy and you will get it all over. Just peel off as much as you can eat. And then what we need to do is take our pre-cooked sticky rice and put some in a bowl. Just break it up gently as you actually put it in the bowl, it just makes it easier. And then just add as much coconut milk as you require. And then all we do then is just top it off with our durian and just actually stir it into the coconut milk. And that is our fantastic durian dessert made. And all we got to do is just sit back, eat it and enjoy. Now guys, don't forget, if you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button. It means an awful lot. Now if you have a comment, leave a comment below, or if you have any questions just ask away and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.
So that's it guys, if you like the durian video, like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.